So I had to like pry this open with a knife and I loosened it up with hot water. So to the people that made this, let's see what brand. I think this is Tostitos. Tostitos. Could you guys maybe make these things easier to open? Come on, man. Now I made like a lot of tacos here. So I'm gonna have to like split these up and I'm gonna have to share them with people, but now we're gonna see the magic of making them. Look at this. Look at this. Making some tacos. Yeah, put the salsa sauce right over the beef there. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Don't skimp on the sauce. Oh, these are gonna be good. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but like, I don't usually eat this much. Um, so obviously, like, I've qualified this by saying like, these are gonna be like shared with other people or made into like multiple lunches for like when I go to work and stuff. But like, the other thing we're gonna do too on this channel is like I'm gonna do like exercise videos or something, like some kind of workout video, just to kind of like stay healthy as I go, because I know as you get older it's harder and harder to burn calories, and I'm probably never gonna diet, so we're gonna have to do like exercise videos and stuff too. And also keep in mind, like, it's the holidays right now, so it's okay to like just have a little bit extra during the holidays, because they only come, I'd say like Thanksgiving and Christmas are like the only 2 days where I'll legitimately just not even diet and just eat whatever I want. So like for those 2 days a year, I give myself a pass, you know what I mean? But then every other day, now I have to make up for it. I'm gonna have to exercise like crazy to burn all this off. But oh, one of the shells broke, that's my bad. Sometimes that happens. I sometimes will break the shells. But like, yeah, like if you like tacos or whatever, and you live near me, or like we go to work together, you'll probably be getting some tacos from me. I'll just be like, yo, you want some tacos, man? Thanksgiving tacos. It's so random, but like, trust me, these are gonna taste so good. And I mean, I only make them once or twice a year, right? There is a Christmas variant. So yeah, I'm gonna have some tacos. It's gonna be super fun. If there's extra, just kind of hang around me and you'll get some tacos. So that takes care of the salsa sauce. But now, gotta put on cheese. And see if I can open this with like one hand, because like I'm holding like my phone up to this, right? I gotta open the cheese. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh, the cheese is putting up a fight now. It's like nothing wants to open for me. Okay, so got the cheese open. Now, like, let's see if I can sprinkle cheese on with one hand while I'm holding this phone. This is gonna be funny. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh my goodness, yes you can. Put in some cheese in my tacos. Come on, get in there, cheese. It's gonna taste so good. So, like, yeah, definitely if you see me, ask me for some of these, because I'll share them. I've got more than enough of them. I'll have to clean this up tomorrow, too. Whenever I make, like, any kind of big dish, it always kind of makes a mess. But it's kind of worth it. Like, yeah, it takes some work. And you gotta clean it, but if you really like what you're doing, it's okay. We get some cheese love over here. Cheese love. The best kind of love. Cheese love. This is my holiday special. My holiday special. Okay. There we go. That's cheese. Now we're gonna do some sour cream. See if I can open this with one hand. And oh, can I? Oh, this is quite challenging with one hand. Come on. You can do it, A-Bot. Come on. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I opened it. But then when you open it, they have another friggin' thing of packaging here. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. We've broken into the sour cream. We're at sour cream. Okay. So let's get dipping the sour cream onto the tacos. I may have overdone it and made too many tacos. But it's okay. It's okay. You're allowed to have fun on your vacation. Vacation time is your time. You do whatever you want to do. You have as much fun as possible. Because you know you gotta go back to work when it's done. If you make a mess, you know what? That's just life. You're just living. You're living on fun mode, man. Yeah. Oh, I hate this stupid packaging. Like, why do they put... Look at this. Look at this. Look at how it's just in the way. Like, you're trying to get the spoon in there. Idiots that design this stuff, man. Like, come on. Get this crap out of the way. Why is there, like, extra packaging on my sour cream? Ugh. I feel like just so frustrated. Like, I want my sour cream. Get out of my way, packaging. Okay. So there we go. Got our sour cream. And now what's left? Bacon. So, of course, with bacon, it's kind of greasy. So, what I might do is I might kind of like pad that down. I might pad that down a little bit. Just so that, you know, you don't get sick or make it worse than it has to be in terms of like grease, right? Because remember, I don't have to exercise like crazy to even this out, right? So, ow, oh my goodness, it's hot. Yeah, it's hotter than expected. Okay, I'll just put it over here on this plate. I'll pat it down, patting down the bacon, get the grease off so you don't have heart disease. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to exercise so much to even this out. Like I said, guys, if anybody wants some of these tacos with me, please let me know. Okay, so there we go, got some grease off of them. And now we gotta spread some bacon, love. Okay, so, get more grease off of it. It's a little bit too much grease. But remember, it's your vacation, so you just throw it on there, buddy. Yeah, look at that bacon tacos, okay. Yep. You just throw those in. Yep. Just remember, this is going to be your once, maybe you have like a feast like this twice a year, right? So, make it worthwhile. Look at that bacon one. And definitely, like, don't eat like this all the time, guys. This is only for, like, holidays. There really has to be, like, a good reason for this. Some kind of special occasion. Like, you don't want to, like, do it too much. But, oh my god, is it going to taste so freaking good. And, you know, I will definitely burn this off, because I'm going to have to exercise like crazy. Now, this is where we get fun, because I guess you're wondering, like, why did I use toilet paper to take the grease off of it? Now, obviously, this toilet paper roll has not been in the bathroom. Obviously. I'm just using this as, like, paper towel, because I forgot to pick paper towel up, so that's my bad. But, you know, that has not been bathroom adjacent, so don't worry about that. It hasn't been anywhere gross. It's literally the same thing as paper towel anyways, as long as it doesn't go in the bathroom. Now, with the sriracha sauce, look at that, extra layer packaging. They did it to me again, guys. So I'm going to try to take this off with one hand, and hopefully I can get this, and we'll have our tacos. And nope, it's not coming easy, it's putting up a fight. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Remember, this is all unscripted. I didn't plan any of this. So, I mean, even to get the Tostito salsa sauce open, I had to, like, cram it open with a knife, like, pry it. And then I had to run it under, like, hot water to soften it up. It put up quite the fight, but I'll be damned if I'm taking crap from sriracha sauce. That's not happening. You know, salsa gives me attitude. Okay, fair enough, but not this. Okay, so we put this back on. Now, some people like this, some people don't. But this does make it hotter. And if you like spicy, then you'll like this. But I'm going to have to take a break for now because the video is getting too long. But look at that, we're almost done.